can now interact directly with your Coinbase account using the Banker agent and the Coinbase CLI plus the skill link below. Banker is steady shipping and consistently building here. This is not a meme coin. This is one of the best AI agent projects in the space, not just on Base or Coinbase, in the space in general. And we are very bullish on Banker here. Let's take a quick look at this video here, guys. As you can see, Coinbase for agents on Banker. What are my balances on Coinbase? And literally you could interact and see the breakdown here. This is all AI agent technology here, and this is so bullish. Look at this, man. Give your banker its own Coinbase account. Extremely bullish stuff, and we're gonna dive even further in this video. But before I continue, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is all entertainment purposes only. If you take a look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is sitting under 65k, and a lot of people expect that we may see a further leg down in Bitcoin. Maybe we make another move to around that 70k area, and then we see another leg down. It really depends how low we'll go. Are we going to see a 38k, 40k Bitcoin? It's left to be seen here. But I think, and I've been saying this for multiple videos, I think since we are in fear on the fear and greed index at 22 here, I think exposure, even some exposure to altcoins that you're bullish on, is a great decision to make. In my opinion, it is wise because you just never know how fast things could change. Everyone thinks the bottom is going to be in October, and that I don't know the last time in crypto where everyone was right. Everyone thought we would get an alt season last year, and everyone was wrong. But if everyone is right about the bottom in October, and everyone is timing the bottom exactly, that'd be a new thing for me in crypto. That's the first time I ever saw that happen, right? But you don't, in my opinion, you don't have to wait all the way to buy. I think, just slowly dollar cost averaging into projects that you have, that you're bullish on, you have conviction on, is the way to go. And Banker is one of those projects. We spoke about it many times before in the past, and I still think it will be one of those altcoins that will do well in the future. Look at this. Founders don't have to wait for a boardroom to decide their idea deserves a shot. Build it, ship it, let the market decide. Hydra went from solo experiment to real platform, worth reading how. So with the Banker ecosystem, you are seeing multiple projects being built in the ecosystem that are also AI agents as well. And that also helps with the growth of the Banker ecosystem. So it's basically the AI agent hub for base chain and a lot of the space, and you're seeing more and more projects build in the Banker ecosystem that launch through the protocol and are building their own success as well. Some of the projects that we've spoke about in the Banker ecosystem have done well, and still I think will continue to do well in the future. As you can see right here from DeFi Llama, you could see that the total annualized fees for Banker from their revenue here is $13.8 million in revenue, 2.4 million in the past 30 days. Now we're a bit on a slow end here. Back in May we had a massive rise, but we're coming back down for June, but that's okay, right? Because guess what? This ecosystem will continue to grow, in my opinion, as long as AI agents, etc. remain the future, which I think they will be. Elon Musk on tweets are saying, we're about to enter an age of abundance never seen before. It's going to be so abundant because of AI and robotics, etc. And I think AI agents will continue to be successful. So as you can see here with the breakdown, let me try to zoom in as well here so you guys could see that even better. You can see fees, annualized revenue here for Banker, $13.8 million in revenue, 2.43 million in the past 30 days. And this is on a slow period for June, okay? This is a slow period. So imagine what happens when you see a more bullish market. We enter a more bullish market, more builders come to the ecosystem, more AI agents come to base chain that want to build through Banker. And again, with these protocols, you have to look at these protocols that are generating revenue now. And when they're generating revenue, it means they could fund the token itself in a more successful way, right? They could do buybacks, they could do marketing, they could, you know, hire builders to help with the infrastructure of the project. They could do so much more. You know, everyone wants tier 1 exchange listings. Well, guess what? Because they're making revenue, they could get those tier 1 exchange listings, right? These are the things that are possible here when a project is successfully making it's basically like a stock, right? It's basically like a startup, but they are decentralized crypto coins now, right? So this is what you want to look for here. These are the type of metrics you pay attention to for projects, right? And right here as well, introducing Glidepath, a new way for builders for Banker to take profit without nuking their chart or their reputation. So, you know, a lot of investors, you know, the people with extra edge can get into projects extremely early, but if they don't know how to, I would say, de-risk on their projects, they could hurt the chart of the project. With Glidepath, that is built by Banker here, and they have a full breakdown for you to go through. It's much easier for you to do so. Introducing Glidepath on Banker. Taking profit shouldn't nuke your chart the old way versus the Glide way. And with the power of agents, again, you know, someone could slowly exit their position and still keep the chart intact, which doesn't shake out smaller holders of the project as well. And this would probably be great for, like, you know, people that want to trade those low cap meme coins, right? All the people trading the low cap meme coins, this is probably a great use case for you. And, you know, obviously I would think if they integrate Glidepath into their project, that will be fees generated for Banker as well, which is, again, great stuff to see. Bottom line, creators take profits on your terms, chart and reputation intact. Holders, the dev might dump becomes a known cap, visible known up front. For once you and holders want the exact same thing, number go up. This is what launching on Banker should mean. Credible commitment built in. So it's projects launched on Banker. See, so they're developing new infrastructure and tools to get more people in their ecosystem, more builders, developers to launch through the Banker protocol. Very bullish stuff. As you can see here, Banker sitting at that $44.6 million market cap, holding up extremely well against the rest of the market here. And one of the Patreon members said that they just had bought their million Banker tokens, which is great to see. My price targets remain the same for Banker. I think, 500 mil market cap, which is around a 10x move. 5 to 10x for Banker, very possible, if not 20x. You could see $1 billion in market cap when the market starts to be bullish again. But as you can see here, higher lows on Banker here that are forming here, and it's staying strong against the overall market, which is great to see. I think because it's holding so strong against the rest of the market, you're going to have more potential for upside here. So is it a good time to dollar cost average? Nothing is guaranteed. This is not financial advice, but I think these dips here are a good time to get entry into Banker here. Anything under 50 mil market cap, 100 mil market cap, good time to enter, because you still have from say Banker goes to 100 mil from here, you still have a 5x to 10x, right? And from here you have a 5x to 10x to 500 mil because you got exposure in the dips here. And I think that is very possible for this project. I would not rule that out at all. I'm telling you guys, wouldn't rule it out for Banker here. So buying on the red days, buying when there's fear in the market, in my opinion, is the way to go. You don't buy when it's pumping, when it's at 120 mil and it's everybody's FOMOing in, oh, Banker going to the moon. That's not when you buy. You buy when nobody cares, nobody's paying attention, when it's having pullbacks, when there's red days in the project, right? So Banker in a great spot here. Thesis has not changed. If you found value in this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really appreciate all the support. And if you want to join a community and family that is working together with, sharing their own insights and navigating the space together, I think you'll be way more successful doing that than going about the space by yourself. You'll be a part of a community that of like-minded individuals with the same goals. I think will add to your success. Because the saying, two heads are better than one, right? Join the Patreon to join the private Discord. We already have 90 members on the Patreon. We already have 90 members there, and it's only $5 a month to join. It's the same cost as a Twitch sub or a channel membership. It's just through Patreon, right? very affordable. I also give early alpha calls on projects that I think are undervalued as well. And a multiple of them have already made Patreon members hundreds of dollars in profits. And I think in the future, it's going to be thousands of dollars in profits. So I definitely recommend joining there. Nothing is guaranteed though. So always manage your risk in this space, okay? But you have to be quick because it's only 56 spots left that are remaining here. Once those 56 spots are filled for the $5 tier, it will increase to $10 per month, okay? So early bird gets the worm, guys. Truly appreciate all the support. Always remember to give praise and glory to the Lord God Jesus. Thank God for everything. Without him, we are nothing. And I'll catch you in the next one.